Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a top pan balance. First, ensure your balance is on a stable, level surface, free from vibrations and air currents. Use the adjustable feet and spirit level to achieve perfect leveling. Power on the balance and let it warm up for at least 15 minutes to stabilize its internal components. This crucial initial setup guarantees accurate and reliable measurements from the start, preparing your balance for precise work. Once your balance is ready, press the tare or 0 button to ensure the display reads 0 before adding anything. This accounts for the weight of any container you might use. Gently place your sample, or the container holding it, directly in the center of the weighing pan. Wait patiently for the digital display to stabilize, usually indicated by a specific symbol, and then accurately record the mass. For example, a typical balance might read to 2 decimal places, like 12.34 grams. To ensure accuracy, be mindful of environmental factors. Air currents, even subtle ones, can cause fluctuations, so close any drafts. Temperature changes can also affect the balance's performance. Always use gloves when handling samples or containers to avoid transferring oils or moisture, which can subtly change the mass. If you encounter inconsistent readings, re-level the balance, re-tare, and double-check for any external disturbances. These steps help maintain measurement integrity. Proper care extends the life and accuracy of your top pan balance. Regularly clean the weighing pan and surrounding areas using a soft, lint-free cloth and a mild cleaning solution, avoiding abrasive chemicals. When not in use, always cover the balance to shield it from dust and accidental spills. Store it in a dry, stable environment. For optimal performance, periodically verify its calibration using certified reference weights, perhaps once every 6 months, to guarantee its ongoing precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.